Whenever I read the word stumpery, it's cause to get excited because stumpery means stumps, which means dead wood, which means mushrooms. So I've come to Sizergh Castle in Cumbria to explore its famous Victorian stumpery and rock garden to see if there's any fungi to photograph. Stumperies became a popular way for gardeners to plant up and show off ferns, and Sizergh Castle's gardens actually make up a large part of the official national collection of this elegant and Jurassic-looking plant. The stumps today yield little more fungi than old familiar Daldinia concentrica, King Alfred's cakes, but the Fifth Kingdom certainly doesn't feel too far away. Ferns and fungi share quite a few commonalities, most striking of which, and that which separates them from most other plants, is their lack of flowers or seeds. Like mushrooms, ferns reproduce via the distribution of spores. And the Grade 2 listed gardens then give me my first ever St George's mushrooms as a very welcome surprise. Some dried up jelly ears that somehow dodged that last great downpour of rain. And as a finale, the promise of lots more to come. Baby Cereoporus squamosus, so very tiny right at the start of their journey to becoming the country's largest capped fungus, the dryad saddle. Thank you, Sizergh.